Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on RunwayML on how to use image to image. So we're going to want to go to the main page, scroll down to where we find the image to image section, click on it, and we're going to have to upload a photo that we want to use. We already have a photo, so we're just going to click on that. Now, once you've uploaded your photo, we are going to go to resolution, and you get to choose either if you want the resolution to be SD or HD, but you're going to have to upgrade for that. And then on number of outputs, that's just how many renditions of that photo you want to be made. Right now, we only want one. And then we go to the important part where it's the prompt. So basically, if you want your image to be turned to a AI image, you're going to have to give it a description. So we have one right here, an oil painting of an aristocrat. And we're going to just press generate. You have to give it a moment. And there we go. Once you have this image generated, all you're going to want to do is click right here where it says download. And you have completed your AI generated image to image. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.